In this video, I will show how to create bullet points in Excel. So there is not default method, but you can try this method to insert bullet points. So keep your cursor in any cell like here. Now press Alt plus X, Alt plus 7. Now type your text. Alt plus 7. Turn on number pad and type this. So this way you can create bullet points in Excel. And another method, insert symbol, more symbols, select normal text and here select general, select this bullet, then insert. Now copy it. Now type your text. Control V, double click and type your text here. So these two way guys you can try to create bullet points in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.